A 2018 study indicates that residents within the White Earth Reservation have faced some of the highest energy burdens in the U.S. A new solar and battery installation hopes to change that, at least for the residents of Pine Point. Our reporter Matthew Freeman has more details.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, Jake.
In Minnesota's Northwoods, where winter power outages can turn deadly and some families must choose between heating their homes and buying groceries, a tribal school in the White Earth Reservation has flipped the switch on a solar and battery system 5 years in the making.
This is very, very new territory for rural Minnesota and also for Indian country.
Today we aren't just cutting a ribbon. We are capturing the power of the sun.
The Pine Point Resilience Hub is now live. Based at a K-8 school and gathering center for residents of Pine Point, a small rural community within the reservation, this 500 kilowatt solar array, paired with a 2.76 megawatt per hour battery, brings the power of the sun into the palm of this community's hands.
By generating energy right here on site, these solar panels will help the school offset energy costs. That means fewer dollars spent on electricity and more resources that can be focused where they matter the most.
Passing down the knowledge and creating the innovation that actually supports humanity's role as stewards within the natural systems that support the existence of life on Earth. We call this re-indigenization, and that is the foundation that we've built this collaboration on.
The new system is projected to save the school $825,000 over the next 25 years. Thanks to many partnerships surrounding this project, the school paid nothing out of pocket, and the White Earth Tribe will own the system long term.
The savings from this project allows us to reinvest vital resources directly back into our classrooms and into our children, ensuring our school remains a steady, powered beacon for the community for decades to come.
This project not only aims to provide Pine Point School with more affordable energy, but it's also about providing a community hub for emergency situations.
I think about last summer, if you guys recall, we had a really big storm that blew through our reservation and a lot of people were without power, and this project will fill the gap.
Pine Point School Superintendent hopes this project will not only power the lights of the school and community center, but also the future of its students.
Look at these panels as a promise. They represent our commitment to being good stewards to the earth, blending modern innovation with the timeless respect for nature that the people of White Earth have honored for generations.
Reporting from Pine Point, I'm Matthew Freeman, Lakeland News.
Across the United States, 14% of homes within native reservations lack electricity entirely. The Pine Point community sits in the 98th percentile nationally for the share of household income spent on electricity.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.